and people of this great county and this region. I'm here today very excited because of the great numbers that we have. We have come here to join you in thanking God for the victory that he gave to the Kenya government Kwanza. And I say today, we want to thank God for His Excellency, the Deputy President and the President, for what they have done and the plan they have for this country. I want to assure these people that us from Kericho County and all the people from the Rift, we are united and we look up to you. And I want to tell you people, we have a listening government. The government that listen and are ready to work for the people. Let's follow this government. When we have these demonstrations, I want to tell you, women suffer, children suffer, people living with disability cannot move anywhere. And that has been the routine. And I want to tell the Right Honorable, you have been in government for 5 years. The cost of living was high because of your making. If you had stayed in opposition, you would have checked the government. But now, this is the time to plant. I want to tell our people to say no to demonstration. We go to the farms and then we plant. Come next year, we will have enough to have for ourselves and even surplus to sell. And that is how we can build our economy. Women, are we saying no to demonstration? Tunasema no to maandamano? Tunasema no. Tunasimama pamoja. Asante sana Bwana Faruk. At least I can say, if there are people who will go to heaven, just chunga imani, you are in the right track. Kumbe hii maneno yako sio mbaya sana. Mungu akubariki, tusimame pamoja. Jina langu ni Beatrice Kemei, County MB Kericho. Your Excellency, next time tukue na maneno ya wamama, mchango ya wamama, vijana na people living with disability. At least we empower these women. And the others now will know what to say. Thank you very much and God bless you.
God is good and all the time. Your Excellency, the Deputy President, Honorable Rick G, Your Excellency, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, Honorable Musalia, Your Excellency, our very able Baba Aroma, and all leaders present, all protocols observed. Amjambo. Mimi naitwa Emma Seme.